I'm going to show you how you can delete a chat or messages from a Telegram chat for everyone in just a few steps. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So all you need to do is go to the chat you want to delete. So in my case, it will be this one, for example, and you can do this from the desktop application or the phone application as well. It's the same process. And then right click, or if you're using the phone application, hold press the chat, and then you will see the option to delete the chat. So once you are here, you will see, are you sure you want to delete all message history with that user? And then you can select if you want to delete the messages for the other user as well, or just for you. So if you want to delete the messages for everyone, make sure to mark this checkbox and then click on delete. Now if we go to that DM, you will see nothing appears. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.